Welcome to TaxTank. We're thrilled to have you on board. Let's get started with a quick tour to show you where everything is. The dashboard provides an overview of your forecasted and actual tax position. It summarizes each tank, making it easy for you to see what contributes to your taxable income as you allocate transactions throughout the year. The dashboard is also home to our budgeting tool to track monthly expenses and quick links to invite an accountant, advisor, or TaxTank Support. To move between financial years, use the top drop-down menu. Use the left-hand menu to navigate through your active tanks, documents stored in the spare tank, bank feeds, tax summary, and real-time tax reports. Add any additional tax information like capital losses and student loans by selecting settings from the top left drop-down. Select My Account to manage your subscription, security, and notification preferences. Use the custom onboarding checklist to ensure you get the most out of TaxTank and make setting up your data a breeze. If you need assistance along the way, simply click on the Help icon to access our online videos, self-help articles, and chat support. Thanks for exploring the dashboard with us. Remember, you can visit our support center for more videos like this at any time.